Hi, I'm Karl Richter. My company, eLearning Blends, helps you build learning that's engaging and effective. In other words, I'm in the business of making training memorable. So I like to joke that I'm the head blender at eLearning Blends because I'm the owner of a company with a blender for an icon, and I love corny jokes. But it's also more than that. I joke that I'm a head blender because what we do is to blend together new information together with what's already in your head. I'm trying to engage the neurons in your brain, get you thinking. Because the more you fire your synapses, the more you flex your mental muscles, the thicker that myelin coating that runs down the brain cell, and the more quickly you're able to process their thoughts. So, in a sense, my line of work is to build myelin. So, I help create learning that's effective because it engages the synapses in your brain. I have a team that helps me design and develop custom solutions. And I also work as a coach and hold workshops to help you and your team build engaging and effective learning on your own. So yes, our company logo is an affordable kitchen appliance because I'm in the business of making things memorable. Blended learning is something you can do now with affordable tools you may already have. So as you scroll through elearningblends.com, you'll see lots of free resources, tips, and even recipes you can use to blend learning on your own.